Hello guys and welcome to day 8 of my journey. So yesterday I got a 36.37, which is an improvement over my recent times. They've mostly been in the pool. Apparently I got a 36.32 the other day. I forgot I got that time. Already losing track of what time I've done already, and it's only day 8. It's not gonna go well, is it? So yeah, hopefully we can just improve on the time from yesterday. So let's get into it. Okay, it's a bit of inspection. Okay, I think we got this. 3, 2, 1, go. Decent cross. Where's that is? Must be that edge. Do that. Shove it in. Where's this? That edge, do that, put it in, do that, put it in, where's my edge, over there, do that, put it in, do this, solve this, that's not it's one of the few PLO algorithms I do not know yet. No, 40.38, that could have been sub 40 if I didn't mess up the thing and I knew the PL algorithm. That's sad. Oh well, not too bad. A 40.38. My current average of 5 is 38.58, which has gone down from the first one. The first one was in the 40s, I think. Yeah, no, the first one was 41.16. This is my best average of 5, albeit by like 40 milliseconds. So, I take my wins. So yeah, that is good. Come back tomorrow. Hopefully I can get sub 40 again. Push it more down to sub 20, sub 30. I'm sub 35 next time. That's what I want. I haven't had one of them since I got my 29 second solve ages ago. Those have been my PB after that is a 36.32. So yeah, hopefully we can improve tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.